Hi Heart Sleep families, welcome to Drawing Day. Today I am going to teach you how to draw a little birdie in just a few easy steps. So stay tuned to find out how. First, I am going to take a thick black marker and I am going to draw an arrow. Just like that. The next step, I am going to draw his eye. Next, I am going to draw a long line to make his back. And a line for his wing and his 2 feet. Lastly, I am going to draw the rest of the wing and his tail feathers. All done. Time to color. Thanks for watching. Bye, friends.